I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's name. Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A sharp minor, played with the C sharp, F, and A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then D sharp major, played with the D sharp, G, and A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then G sharp major, played with the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. And the F major, played with the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. As always, you'll find the PDF file associated with this song in the description box, so feel free to download it. Let's first look at the introduction of this song. So here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord, A sharp minor, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord, 2, chord, 3, chord, and on 4, bass and chord again. And you're gonna do the exact same thing for the D sharp major. So 1, 2, 3, 4. G sharp major, the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the entire table would give you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the only table that you will need to play this song entirely. Let's see if it fits the verse. 3, 4. I'm still a fan even though I was salty. Hate to see you with some other bro, now you're happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. And you just repeat this table. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. Now, just to prove that this is also going to work on the chorus, I will sing you an excerpt of that section. I might kill my ex. Not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next. How'd I get here? And repeat again and again throughout the whole song from the beginning to the end. I wish you good luck and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.